Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we would be learning more about your LWC and Apex concepts in depth. So today we are picking up a random real-time project that we could clone to some extent so that you all could get an idea that how things work. So basically, as you all can see that this is an Amazon site. So we would be cloning this site to some extent. So let's get started with what is being displayed in here. So basically this is a carousel that displays the data as per the images provided in here. Upon down we could see some cards, that is car and bike essentials up to 70% off. So these are some cards, and in there are subcategories that can be defined as a lightning layout, which we could help to segregate our items, or we could use grids as well in here. Coming down is the same section as the above one. The major difference is in here the designing, like in some parts there are 4 tiles, some are 1 and some are 2, so that depends upon the UI structure. So upon clicking of any of these accessories, I am redirected to another page, and see, if you could see here the UI style how it is appearing. So we could try this in all our LWC. So from all this data model, if you could see to the left of this panel, we could have a brand section that displays some data based upon the categories, like the brands. So if we click on any of the brands, the data populates of that. Over here, this is the average customer review, so 5 star, 4 star, or any of the things. So from any of the pane, if we click in here, what we could see is we are seeing an image, the name of that image or the product that it is being displayed, the average rating, the price, what is the price, the name of the brand that is being covered in the name only, or we could differentiate between this as well. Eligibility for pay on delivery, so see, get it by Thursday July 14th. So all this is free delivery on your first order in this category. So all this can be into another field, and there could be pick list types. So we could have a pick list in which what we could see here could be a type. So type would be tire and rim, cleaning accessories, fresh food items, mobile phones. So this all could be in type. So like if I click on mobiles, so everything remains same: average customer review, brands, see, pay on delivery. So this is your brands, the name and the image. So let us get going with this, guys. So basically first we would be creating an object for the same. So going to my Salesforce org and creating a new object, that is a custom object. So we would be giving this name as the products. Label would be product. So the object name would be, no, we could not have a product because this is a standard one. So uh, product items, product names. Okay, so products names, product name, we could have this, and record name, this is the product name. Data type would be the name, obviously the text field. So track field history, and allow search, and launch a new custom tab visit, because we want to have a tab for this. So in here, this is a product name, and we would be having a tab for this. So I would be going with any default. Apply tab visibility to all profiles, so select save, next. and I want to include it in my all tabs. So that is it. And now what I would be doing is I would be adding some fields and relationships. So name is done, and another would be the image. So for your image, we would be having a text data type, because we would be storing all the images in your documents. What are documents? We would be learning a bit further in our series, and how we could access data from there. All we would be understanding in there. So field name would be image. The length of this image would be any. So I am giving 100. This is the maximum length is the 255 characters. So the next, and visible to all the profiles, next, and I want a new field, that is the rating field. So that could be a number field. So we could have a string as well for that, as no, nothing of that sort. So next, rating, and again the length would be, let us say, 20. Next, visible to all the profiles. Next, save and new. So image, we have the name we are having, the rating we are having, and then currency. So we could have the currency as well, that is the formula. Sorry, that is the currency field. The average price. So price, and the price could have some decimal places, so I'm giving this 2 decimal places. And next, visible to all profiles. Next, save and new. So the next comes here is the another text field, that is the brand name. Okay, next, other would be that is either this is eligible for pay on delivery or not. So we would be having a checkbox. So guys, if you want this project to be completed, so I want you all to be completing this with me. So pay on delivery, that is by default unchecked. uh, Moving next, and there would be we would be having a type pick list. So pick list. Next, uh, type. So we could have various types, like smartphones, like mobiles. So I'm adding one category, mobile, and for now I am going with this one, and thereafter, with the coming advancements, we would be modifying our code as well. So for now, what is our blueprint is created, guys. So in this today we created some object, and some fields of that object. Now in the next video, what we would be going is we would be designing over this UI part, and what we would be doing is we would be adding some dummy data. So we would be meeting in the next video. Till then, I hope that you all would continue till here, and we would be continuing further. So thanks for watching, and we would be meeting in the next video.